And you know that this pesky thing called freedom of religion is in that First Amendment too, John. And if government chooses to try to make me use a specific speech code that goes against my beliefs, like the pronoun issue does in my case, that's a violation of the First Amendment too, isn't it?
And that's, like I said, that's what you see in New York and a few other cities tried to do, was create a speech code that said you could be fined for not using certain speech. Imagine this. It's not even the government telling you what you can't say. It's the government commanding what you have to say. That is about as far afield from the First Amendment and what the founding fathers intended as you could possibly get. What's, I think, more interesting is that over the last 10 years, the First Amendment cases taken up by the Supreme Court almost entirely have had to do with this balance between free speech and freedom of religion. And so a lot of these cases, which I'm sure you're well aware of, involve, whether or not I have to bake a cake for a gay couple that wants to get married, whether or not I have to create a website for a gay couple that wants to announce their wedding. Again, the Supreme Court has come down nearly unanimously on the idea that no, you don't, that your freedom of religion trumps somebody else's freedom of speech. And so that if the speech infringes on the religious values, like you just mentioned, that becomes a huge deal, and freedom of religion will always win. That's what the court has told us.
Watch Brandon Daly on worldviewtube.com or any of his socials on the screen. Download the Worldview Tube app on your phone and TV now.